Kit and Coco.
Tapir. Did you know tapirs have 4 toes on their front hoof and 3 toes on their back hoof? Strange. Gorilla. Gorillas have the same number of fingers and toes as we do. That's so cool. Wildebeest. Did you know wildebeests can stand and run within minutes of being born, keeping them safe from predators? Rhinoceros. Rhinos poop around 23 kilograms, which is about 50 pounds, of dung a day. Smelly. Wolf. Did you know fully grown wolves have 42 teeth? And they've got really strong jaws. Camel. Camels have got 3 sets of eyelids and 2 rows of eyelashes. It's to keep the sand out. Kingfisher. Did you know female kingfishers are so much more colourful than the males? Pretty. Chameleon. On average, a chameleon's tongue is twice the length of its body. Wow. Brown bear. When a brown bear is born, it has no fur at all and it can't see a thing. Mole. Did you know moles can move backwards nearly as fast as they can forwards? Amazing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Kit and Coco.